Hi guys, it's Brennan's sister. I mean Raegan's sister. I'm Brennan. Sorry. This is Brian. Say hello.
So.
And there's Raegan. Have a good day. Welcome to the 4th of July vlog. This is our outfits. Look how cute they are. Oh wait, don't put that. I just flipped you off. I didn't mean to.
She said, look how cute.
We are at drink number 1. This is super yummy. Right? It's so yummy. It's exactly like the popsicle.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I'll let you
all these people are gonna be in my vlog and they don't know it. They're gonna be famous.
Don't love me just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit.
It is currently 10:20. We are not even out of the parking lot and we are going to be stuck in traffic. My guess is we are going to get home at 11. 13. Alright, you can't see him. What's your guess, Brian? 10:50?
10:53.
Dang. 10:53 to be specific. 10:53.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're getting out of here, but
We'll see who wins.
I have faith in the St. Augustine police who said, they made an announcement, right?
They
made
did.
an announcement. They said that if everybody followed them,
We gotta follow the police.
their knowledge nuggets.
The knowledge of nuggets.
That's what they said. You know, everything will go fine.
Yeah, I got faith. We got this. It's currently 10:21. We made it home, and it is currently. What time is it? 11:22. 11:22. So none of us won.
I won. I was the closest.
Technically, Brennan was the closest, but the game was to put it on the dot, so no one won. And now it's time to put on pajamas and go to bed. The best thing in the world after a full night out is literally putting on comfy clothes, and I will stand by that. Now it's time to actually get ready for bed, take off this makeup, and take out this hair. guys, I'm finally ending this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy 4th of July. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.